लिसन केअरफुली. आणखीन एक गोष्ट ऐका हं. टॉक टॉक, टॉंग टॉंग, ऑल डे लॉंग. Long, long ago, in the far away land of Korea, there was a minister. म्हणजे मंत्री होता कोरिया देशात. On the right of his house, there lived a blacksmith. त्याच्या घराच्या उजवीकडे एक लोहार राहत होता. On the left, there lived a carpenter. आणि डाव्या बाजूला एक सुतार राहत होता. The blacksmith and the carpenter began their work early in the morning. The blacksmith beat the iron with his big hammer. The carpenter worked with his small hammer. He used his saw to cut the wood. तो करवतीनं लाकूड कापायचा. They worked day and night and made a lot of noise. All that noise disturbed the minister. मंत्र्याला खूप त्रास व्हायला लागला या आवाजाचा. One day, the minister called the blacksmith. I order you to shift your house somewhere else. दुसरीकडे कुठतरी तुझं घर हलवायलाच पाहिजेस. Then he called the carpenter and gave him the same order. सुताराला पण त्यानं तीच आज्ञा केली. After a few days, the blacksmith went to the minister. He told, I am moving my house tomorrow. उद्या मी घर बदलतोय बरं का. Then the carpenter came. I am also moving my house tomorrow. The minister was so happy. The minister offered his neighbors many tasty dishes, sweets, and fruits. But the next morning, the minister woke up with the sound of again. He got annoyed. अरे हे काय परत? He called his servants. After some time, the servants came back. They told the blacksmith had moved to the carpenter's house and the carpenter had moved to the blacksmith's house. And they carried on their work in their houses day and night. आणि पुन्हा त्या दोघांनी आपलं काम दिवस रात्र चालू ठेवलं. Now answer the questions in one or two words. एक किंवा दोन शब्दात उत्तर द्या. Who lived between the blacksmith and the carpenter? Minister. Who used a big hammer? Blacksmith. Who used a small hammer? Carpenter. Now match the three columns and rewrite the table. तिन्ही रकाने जुळवा आणि तक्ता पुन्हा लिहा. राइट आन्सर. योग्य उत्तर ऐका. ऑक्युपेशन टीचर. टूल्स यूज्ड chalk, board, duster, pen, computer. Action: write, read aloud, explain, show, ask questions, taste, examine, correct, help, encourage. Second, occupation: cook. Tools used: pots, pans, stove or cooker, knife, spoons, grinder, mixer. Actions: wash, clean, cut, boil, fry, steam, bake, roast, stir, mix, slice. Occupation: tailor. Tools: scissors, tape measure, thread, needle, sewing machine. Actions: sew, measure, cut, teach, draft, design, fold, hem, trim, decorate.